Why veganism makes sense. Imagine you're walking through a field and suddenly someone says, wait a minute, animals accidentally die when crops are harvested, so why should we be vegan? At first, that might sound like a good argument, but let's think about it carefully. Because there's something most people don't realize. The animals that people eat don't appear out of thin air. They have to be fed. And what are they fed? Crops. Lots and lots of crops. Cows eat crops, pigs eat crops, chickens eat crops. The animals people eat are fed enormous amounts of plants before they are slaughtered. So this brings us to an important scientific principle called the second law of thermodynamics. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. The law tells us that every time energy is transferred, some of that energy is lost. Think about a flashlight. Not all the battery power becomes light. Some becomes heat. Energy is always lost along the way. The same thing happens when crops are fed to animals. The plants contain energy. The animal uses most of that energy just to stay alive, to breathe, to move, to keep warm, to grow bones, organs, skin, and waste products. Only a small amount becomes meat. This means you need far more crops to produce animal products than you would need if people simply ate plants directly. Far more land. It takes far more water, far more resources, and yes, far more crop harvesting. If someone truly cares about accidental deaths during harvesting, the solution is not to feed crops to animals first. The solution is to eat the crops directly. Because every step in the chain multiplies the amount of crops required. Eating plants directly means fewer crops, fewer fields, less land, less environmental damage, and fewer accidental deaths overall. This is why the argument actually supports veganism, not the opposite. Now let's talk about breeding. Many people hear the word breeding and never stop to think about what it means. Breeding means deliberately bringing individuals into existence because someone wants to use them. A farmer breeds cows because he wants milk. A farmer breeds chickens because she wants eggs. A farmer breeds pigs because someone wants bacon. The animals are not born for their own benefit. They are born because someone plans to profit from them. Think about that. If nobody demanded animal products, billions of animals would not be bred into these systems every year. Breeding is the first step. Without breeding, there's no exploitation. Without breeding, there's no slaughterhouse. Without breeding, there's no dairy industry. Without breeding, there's no egg industry. The entire system begins with breeding. Now, many people say, but those animals wouldn't exist otherwise. And that's true. But existence is not automatically a gift. Creating someone for the purpose of using them is not kindness. Imagine creating a being because you want to control them, profit from them, and eventually kill them. That's not a favor. That's exploitation. The goal should not be to create more victims. The goal should be to stop creating victims. That's what veganism does. Veganism says, animals are not products. Animals are not property. Animals are not machines. Animals are individuals. They can suffer. Animals can feel. They can feel pain. They can value their own lives, and they do. And because of that, we should leave them alone. Some people ask, what if no choice is perfect? And they're right. That's a good question. No choice is perfect. Driving causes accidental deaths. Walking causes accidental deaths. Building houses causes accidental deaths. Growing crops causes accidental deaths. No one can avoid all harm. But there's a huge difference between accidentally stepping on someone's foot and deliberately punching them. Veganism is about avoiding intentional harm whenever possible. It's about refusing to breed animals into existence for human use. It's about refusing to exploit them. It's about refusing to kill them when we do not need to. And today, for most people, we do not need to eat animals. We can eat plants directly. We can get nutrients directly. We can stop filtering crops through animals first. The science makes sense. The ethics make sense. The environmental evidence makes sense. And the compassion makes sense. If you want fewer animals harmed, eat plants directly. If you want fewer crops used, eat plants directly. If you want fewer animals bred into the system of exploitation, eat plants directly. The answer is simple. Stop breeding animals, stop using animals, stop killing animals. Eat plants directly. That's veganism. Can you become vegan? Of course you can. Plants have all the protein and nutrients you need to stay healthy, so you never need to eat fish, meat, eggs, cheese, or drink cow's milk ever again. All good people are either vegan or trying as hard as possible to be, because good people don't bully animals, they save them from people who do. So just remember, veganism isn't a diet. It's a justice movement against the exploitation and utilization of animals. Vegans don't steal from animals. Not their milk, not their eggs, not their fur, not their feathers, not their wool, not their skin, not their honey, not their babies, not their freedom, not their lives. To all new vegans here today, Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Welcome to the right side of history. Thank you for having empathy.
Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to love animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to care for animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. That is extreme. Veganism isn't extreme. It's true love. Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Declare it, I'll be vegan from now on. Declare put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on. Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a morgue? Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Being vegan is healthy for all ages, and yes, even our dogs can be vegan too. Please can we walk away from this place of death? Please can we try something new? Today can be the day you change your life around. Today can be the day you grow your wings and break free from your cocoon. Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a morgue?
I don't understand people. I don't understand the entitlement of people.
Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Yes, it's time to try it.
Fact. Veganism isn't about food. Fact. Veganism isn't about the environment. Fact. Veganism isn't about your health. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Okay? Okay, so let's go over it again. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Okay, let's sing it.
Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way.
Go to That Vegan Teacher on YouTube and search for The Truth About the Animals You Eat. It's only 8 minutes long.
We don't buy meat. We don't buy dairy. We don't buy eggs. We don't buy leather. We don't buy fur. We don't buy wool or silk.
We don't steal from animals. We don't eat cats, cows, dogs, pigs, chickens. We don't eat turkeys. We don't eat frogs. We don't eat anyone. We don't go to places like circuses if there's animals there, or zoos because those animals have been taken out of the wild. We don't go to places like SeaWorld because we don't believe in kidnapping whales and putting them in little swimming pools for people to gawk at.
Yes,
We get enough protein. Plants have protein. That's how elephants get so big and giraffes get so tall.
yes,
We get enough vitamins and nutrients from all of the different foods that we eat.
yes,
We take a B12 pill, it costs 5 cents.
yes.
There are vegans in the Olympics. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated you can be vegan at all stages of development, including pregnancy and lactation.
Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Sing it again. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. It's not a diet. It's not a trend. It's not about you. It's about them, the animal victims. Leave Leave them the fuck alone. Leave them the fuck alone. Them, the animal victims. Leave them the fuck alone. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta get the message in your head. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta get the message in your heart. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta be smart enough to grow. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta be brave enough to say no to the status quo. Can you do it? Yes, you can. And here are the first steps of your 100-click plan. Google vegan athletes and vegan recipes. You will learn that plants provide all the protein your body needs.
Okay, so now that you know you can be 100% healthy as a vegan, it's time to watch the important documentaries. Because otherwise, without this vital information, you'll never fully understand. Your success as a vegan depends on you watching these. So here they are.
Repeat after me. Earthlings, Earthlings, Dominion movement, Dominion movement. What the health, what the health. The game changers, the game changers. Cowspiracy, cowspiracy, seaspiracy, seaspiracy, Christspiracy, Christspiracy. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta get the message in your head. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta get the message in your heart. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta be smart enough to grow. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta be brave enough to say no to the status quo.
Alright, so let's go over what we've learned. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Plants have protein. You're going to be completely healthy. You just got to eat properly. Being vegan is going to help you. It's going to help the planet. And you're going to be saving 100 animals per year.
It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta get the message in your head. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta get the message in your heart. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta be smart enough to grow. It takes 100 clicks until you're vegan. Gotta be brave enough to say no to the status quo. The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, we will rise to protect them. The most innocent, amen. The future is vegan. No matter what your religion,